The urgent need for organ transplants.
Each year, thousands of people worldwide wait for life-saving organ transplants, but the demand far exceeds supply. Many patients are left facing long, uncertain waits, and some do not survive. Scientists and doctors are searching for innovative solutions to end these shortages and save more lives. One of the most promising technologies today is 3D printing of human organs.
How does 3D printing create organs?
3D bioprinting uses special printers to build organs layer by layer. These machines print with bioink, a mixture of living cells and supportive materials to mimic real tissues. By following digital models of organs, the printers carefully place cells into precise patterns, creating structures similar to human hearts, kidneys, and other vital organs. The result is lab-grown tissues designed to look and function like the real thing.
Breakthroughs and challenges in bioprinting.
Recent advances have allowed scientists to print simple tissues like skin and cartilage and even small organ prototypes. However, printing large, complex organs that can survive and work in the human body remains a major challenge. Creating blood vessels, nerves, and achieving perfect compatibility are hurdles researchers are actively working to overcome.
Current progress and success stories.
Some 3D printed tissues are already being tested in labs and animal trials. Researchers have managed to print tiny functional livers and patches for damaged hearts. While fully functional, transplantable human organs are not yet available. These successes demonstrate remarkable progress. Each step brings us closer to organs tailored for individual patients, potentially ending shortages in the future.
What does the future hold?
If scientists are able to perfect 3D organ printing, the impact could be enormous. Patients might get custom organs made from their own cells, reducing rejection risks. Transplant waiting lists could become a thing of the past. While challenges remain, the science is rapidly advancing, offering hope that organ shortages may one day become history.